This is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and the video I have for you today is celebrating all of Potti314's success. He has just reached his 500th video and also his 5,000th subscription. Potti, congratulations on your success. You have a really great channel. I've learned a lot from it and really enjoy it, and really can't wait to see what your channel will look like down the road in the future. What he's doing to celebrate his success is he's doing a giveaway. What he wants you to do is pick a 5-pin padlock that cannot be rekeyed, gutted, taken apart. What he wants you to do is do single pin picking, illustrating that you can get the padlock open, and he wants you to show the key and show you that the key does in fact operate the lock. So the lock that I chose for this giveaway is this brass-bodied American padlock. I think these are really cool locks and they're pretty beautiful, and they cannot be rekeyed. They're key retaining and they're just really pretty cool locks. I don't usually enter giveaways, but I couldn't resist on this one. It has a lot of cool European locks that I do not have that I'd love to try out and maybe pass along to some people in the US once I'm done. So here is the key that is to this lock. It has some pretty flat bitting in the front, but it does have that really high cut in the back, which can make a little bit of difficulty. So this lock is key retaining and it opens up the lock very well, and there is no screw that you can take the core out, and it does have a little ball bearing. The lock's key retaining, so I'm just going to close this up and see what it takes to get this lock open. What I'm going to do is use top of the keyway tension in 50 thousandths and my gem in 18 thousandths, and we'll see what it takes to get this lock open. These locks are pretty fun to work on, and aesthetically they're just very pleasing to look at, and all around I think they're really cool locks. So I'm going to see what it takes to get this lock open now. 5, 4, couple clicks, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, small click on 4, 5. I'm not getting tremendous feedback at the moment here, but let's see. Click on 1, that feels pretty good. Small click on 2, now 3. Small click on 4. Going back to the beginning, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Click on 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, click on 1, nothing on 2, good click on 3, 4. It's always good to see when these locks want to put up a little bit of a fight here. 1, 2, 3. And we're open. Just raising them up one click at a time, because this lock has some pretty long key pins and they overset very easily. But we were able to get the lock open after a little bit of effort here. But you can see that the core is now turned and it moves freely. It is in the picked position. I cannot really lock it back up because it is a key retaining lock. But this brass-bodied lock is really cool. They are military issue from American Lock. You can see on the back it's stamped Set US M182C. If you guys ever check these out, they are really cool, and I highly recommend you get them. They are a whole lot of fun, and they are really cool locks. I have a good amount of them in my collection. But Potti314, please consider this my entry into your giveaway. Thank you so much for the very generous giveaway. It is a really lot of cool locks, and I really hope that I'll be selected to be able to win them. And if I do, I'd like to pass them along to some other pickers down the road. But I wish everyone luck that's entering the giveaway. It's a pretty cool idea to require someone to actually pick a lock to enter. I like the idea, and I hope that we can see something like this utilized more going forward. Either way, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you have a great day. And if you haven't already, please check out Potti314's channel. He's a really great guy. He's got some really great videos. You'll learn a lot, and you'll see some really interesting stuff. And if you do like him, please consider giving him the subscribe button. Thank you so much, and have a great day.